So starting the test drive in this AMG GTR, I have it in race mode just so you can hear just how visceral this thing is. It's 577 horsepower, which is insane. It's a crazy car, it really is. And this exhaust is just, you hear it, it's incredible. What you expect from an AMG car, but again, for this to be the GT, it's next level. It's absolutely fantastic. Now the car is more of there's a reason it has a race mode, right? This is meant to be more of a race car. It is that stiff, but I mean, it's so much fun to drive. That doesn't even bother me, really. It's just, it's something else. And I love this, this green here. Absolutely phenomenal color. Really makes this thing pop. The body lines on the GTs are so nice anyways. It's just, you know, you add a color like this and it's just, it turns heads all day. Now also what's interesting about this is it gets relatively good fuel economy. I mean, for this to be what it is, I think it gets like 1623 or something like that. It's good for this kind of car, for this kind of power, what you get here, this much fun to drive. It's nice to not be getting 12 miles a gallon. So I should be able to give myself enough space to give this a pretty good pull. Here we go. Yeah, it's quick. It is so quick. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to Auto Collection of Murfreesboro and Auto Pro Nashville for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link or third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But the exhaust in this this Sport Plus is so loud. I'm gonna tone it down a little bit so you can hear me. But the overall experience is phenomenal. I love driving these. They're just such great cars. If you want a race car, if you want a relatively practical race car, this is what you get here. Still relatively comfortable, not necessarily because of the stiffness of the ride, but because of the seats, just how they're made. Everything feels good. And then with this 7-speed double clutch, you're able to get 20 plus miles per gallon on the highway. But on this rougher stretch of the interstate, and with this being pretty much a track car, the tires do give you quite a bit of feedback. on the road here, but this doesn't really do it justice. But this isn't just a typical GT, right? So I've driven AMG GTs and they're not nearly this loud. And again, it's not bad, but I'm just, you know, the GTS, the normal GT, less stiff, less loud on the road, because those aren't necessarily considered track cars. Those are more like Grand Touring cars. But this is like a true beast right here. Now the shifts here are so snappy, especially again, I'm in the race mode. It's so again visceral. It's so tough. I love that. So I'm gonna put it into the sport mode and see how it differs. And you feel just I don't want to say it's lag, but it's just a little less quick when you give it throttle. It's not quick to downshift. It's not quick to give you everything. Again, it's still freaking fast in the sport mode, but it feels different. The shifts are still, I don't feel like they're as quick, but to the regular person, you probably won't be able to tell the difference because the downshifts are still snappy. Upshifts are still very quick. I want to put in the comfort mode for the last stretch of this drive. But I mean, for this kind of money, it's 138 grand. It's a 2018 model, but I mean, it's a monster. This thing has less than 20, I think it's 22,000 miles on it, so it's extremely low mile car. And just the luxury amenities, the performance, everything here is just what you expect from the cream of the crop of the AMG lineup. And just, it's so much fun to drive. And honestly, how quick it is, when I gave it that pull getting on the interstate and I had the traction control like all the way on, I still felt it was trying to give in. And if I didn't have that on, it would have tried to fishtail. But I mean, it's one of those cars that if you're not taking it to the track, you're not on a closed course, whatever, you can still give it a good pull. Just keep that traction control on. It's a beast. It really is. It's just an untamed beast. But I mean, just so much fun to drive, so freaking fast. And even in comfort mode here, the exhaust is dialed down quite a bit, but still very quick to shift, very fast in general. It's just levels to it. You really only get very fast, really, really fast, and incredibly fast. Those are your only options. But I mean, this spec is beautiful, immaculate, however you want to look at it. It's a fast car. It looks incredible. And it's just, it's a treat to drive this. It really is. Now, with it being a borderline track car, again, well, it is a track car. Super stiff, but it's exactly what you want if you're going to be going to the track. if you want something that's gonna feel just as hands-on as anything you can imagine, this is the way to go. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2018 AMG GTR.